Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to make a fun recipe and a great way to cook a drumstick, making chicken lollipops. They'll be spicy and sweet. Let's get it started. Okay, the first thing we're going to get going on is getting the rub prepped. We're going to take our dark brown sugar, our paprika, we've got granulated onion and garlic, some cayenne pepper, some ground mustard, a little kosher salt and coarse pepper. Gonna mix these all in. And then we're gonna save a couple teaspoons that's gonna go into our whiskey peach barbecue sauce as well. Okay, now we're real quickly gonna mix up the barbecue sauce that we'll heat up later on low heat on the grill. We're gonna add our ketchup, our peach preserves, brown sugar. This is our rub from earlier, some molasses, and a little double oaked whiskey. Nice. So we'll mix this up. And again, we're going to be putting this on the grill on low heat in a little bit. Okay, now we're prepping the chicken. You can see one here that's already done. You can use, if you've got chicken shears, I just use my little boning knife. Cut all the way around. And then you slide it up over the bone. And then the bottom part of the skin, you just rip that off as well. And then if you look, it won't stand like that. So at the very bottom, you want to cut through a little bit and give yourself a nice sturdy base where your lollipop will stand up for the cook and for presentation at the end. So I'll finish doing those, then we'll put the rub on. All right, so you can see I got these all trimmed up really nice. We're just gonna put the rub on. Gonna roll these in there. And they stand real nice when you cut the bottoms too, so they'll be able to sit on the smoker nice, and then they'll also look great when you're plating them. So we're gonna throw the rub on these. We're gonna put bacon on some of them too. Not everybody likes bacon, so we'll do half with bacon, half without. We're gonna wrap it around in a little bit here. Now you can see the rubs on these guys. We're gonna add bacon to 3 of them here. We're just gonna take it starting up top, wrap it around to the bottom, and then put a toothpick just part way through. And be sure when you finish, take them out right away. I'm actually gonna put these in where I add a little rub onto my bacon too. You don't have to, but just that extra little flavor on the bacon, especially with the brown sugar in it, will kind of give that candy bacon taste as well. So wrapping these around. One little toothpick. A little bit of rub. And then one more. Then these are going to go on the smoker at 225. And then we'll finish them up by giving them a quick sear on the plancha of the grill, just to crisp up the bacon. And then we'll dip them in our whiskey peach barbecue sauce. Okay, now we're gonna take these, we're gonna throw them on the smoker till the internal temp on the chicken hits about 135. Then we're gonna take them off, give them a nice sear to finish them off on the plancha. Let's throw these babies on. They'll get a nice smoke. And then we'll finish them off on the plancha and sear them up and crisp up the bacon on the 3 that have bacon. There we go. Okay, so we poured our barbecue sauce we prepped earlier into this saucepan that we've got on medium-high heat here. We're just gonna stir this, bring this to a boil, and then we'll set it to a cooler part of the grill just to simmer. Our chicken is almost done. Gonna come off and then get the sear on here to finish cooking. And then we'll dip it in the sauce and be ready to eat. Okay, our whiskey peach barbecue sauce has come to a boil, so we're gonna now let it just simmer over here on the part of the grill that's a little cooler. We're gonna get our chicken that's hit 135 internal here off of the smoker. Got our 3 bacon and 3 without. We're gonna bring these over, finish them on the grill. It'll crisp up the bacon and the chicken. Lay them down here. Oh, it smells so good with that rub. You can hear the bacon sizzling on here, so it'll get it nice and crisp. We'll let that sit for a little bit. We'll flip it. We want the chicken to get to 165, and then we'll be ready to dip it in the sauce and time to eat. Okay, so now we have a good sear on the one side. We're gonna flip it over. That's beautiful. Gonna get that on the other side. That'll bring us to the temperature we're looking for the internal on the chicken at 165. On the bacon's looking outstanding. When that's done, we'll be dipping it in our sauce. Our sauce is ready to come off here. That is so good. The whiskey peach barbecue sauce, outstanding. You gotta give that a try, even without the chicken. Okay, so we gave these another half turn. They look outstanding. They're the temperature we want them to. We're gonna take them off and give them the dip right away. This beautiful sauce. Look at that. They look outstanding. This sauce smells incredible. I love peaches, and the whiskey's not too bad either. Take the toothpick out before you dip these just so you don't forget. And look at those, just perfect. And when you put them on nice and hot, the sauce just sticks to them perfectly. Now our last bacon one. And again, I'd suggest using thicker gloves. My hands are used to this. These look gorgeous. I'm gonna let them sit for a little bit and then I'm diving in. Now again, I did my favorite thing with chicken. I did the smoking, then kind of giving it a crisp here on the plancha. You could have left it on the grill and just cranked the grill up to 375, or you can use a cast iron pan if you don't have a plancha like this. I've let these cool. They look and smell incredible. I've got a taste. First, the one without bacon. Oh my goodness. So good. The chicken is so juicy. And the flavor of that barbecue sauce with the peach and the whiskey, incredible. Now with the bacon. Oh yeah. Bacon does make everything better in my mind. But again, pleasing both sides, some with bacon, some without. Just for those who don't know what they're missing with bacon. Thanks for watching me on this fun cook. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you want to see cooked next. I'll be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.